Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Redgear Blaze MT01 membrane gaming keyboard. Once again, this is the tournament edition of this particular series, gaming inspired keyboard for gamers mostly. It has 3 colors, RGB display, 19 keys for anti-ghosting, 1000 Hz of polling rate, that's pretty awesome. What else? Windows lock key, double injection, multimedia key controls, the standard gaming keyboard stuff mostly. There's some extra information on this side. Yes, like I said, 3 color backlighting, 19 key rollovers, floating key architecture, and weighs 895 grams, 104 keys. That's great, and 10 million keystrokes. That's the lifespan. That's not bad at all. So let's just open it and see what the keyboard actually looks like. Redgear sticker. That's more or less what's inside this box. I'm going to leave this here. Let's remove this cover and take a look at the keyboard itself. And so yeah, this is what the keyboard looks like. And obviously gaming inspired design. Not mechanical, by the way. This is a semi-mechanical membrane keyboard. The clicks have a nice feel to it, so very important for when you want feedback during gaming. Has a metallic frame to it. I mean, this is a pretty sharp edge. You will not cut yourself, but sharp nonetheless, and looks very solid. I mean, you will not going to drop it and break it under any circumstances. This is made out of metal. This is the very thick braided cable, almost 2 meters long, I feel, and a USB-A connector at the end, which means you can connect this on any system, but obviously this is for gaming, so you'll be connecting it primarily to a PC. Let's see what's on the other side. One last thing, yes, this has a Numpad over here as well, so basically 104 keys. And there's not much happening on the rear side. I mean, there are 2 rubber stops here, and these are your stands for elevation, and that's it. That's what you find inside the box containing the Redgear Blaze MT01 membrane gaming keyboard. Thank you for watching.